My name is Kathy Johnson. My topic proposal is on the school junk food ban. Schools do not allow foods such as the ones I've shown here, candy, cookies, Coke, to be sold in competition with school lunch items such as these, which would include fruits and vegetables, whole grain breads, and things of that nature. This is to promote a healthier diet and lifestyle for children. But is it necessary for public schools to ban junk foods? Some of the issues to consider to answer this question are the childhood obesity rates. And according to the CDC, in 2012, more than a third of the children and adolescents were overweight or obese. So the health problems associated with being overweight are serious and can be life-threatening. Another consideration is the revenue that's earned by the sale of these a la carte items to fund activities and technology for the schools and the children. Another thing to think about is what the food preferences of the children are. Will they eat the healthier meals? And what about the food that they eat at other times when they're not at school? So these are some of the things to consider and what I will be writing about in my paper. Thank you.